Lucky plants that bring prosperity, good luck, and fortune. Wealth, good health, and love. According to Feng Shui, there are certain types of plants that are classed as good luck plants. Feng Shui plants are said to bring prosperity, fortune, love, and luck. That is why some types of lucky plants are called money trees or money plants. There are other plants Feng Shui considered to bring luck, such as lucky bamboo, rubber plants, orchids, and some types of indoor ferns and palms. Having a number of houseplants is good to help purify the air in your home and improve humidity. Feng Shui says that certain plants help to balance the water element and result in displacing negative energy. There is also scientific research showing that indoor plants can help reduce stress. Other studies have shown that plants have a generally positive effect on a person's well-being. In this video, you will learn about the Feng Shui good luck plants that bring you good fortune, prosperity, and even happiness. Let's start with the money tree plant. It is also known as Pachira aquatica. The Pachira money tree is a plant commonly used in Feng Shui and is believed to bring good luck and attract wealth. This ornamental houseplant is a species of tree in the genus Pachira belonging to the family of Malbecue. Similar to jade plants, the money tree plant is said to invite fortune, wealth, and prosperity. This is one reason why it is also a money plant. However, apart from the connection to Feng Shui, jade plants and the Pachira aquatica are not related in any way. Legend has it that the money tree plant became a specious plant when a poor man prayed for money. He then came across the strange-looking plant. He viewed this as a lucky tree when he started making money selling the plants he grew from seeds. Taking it as a good omen, he sold them to make money and become rich. Money trees are open braided together, and in order for luck to come in, one needs to have 3 to 5 braided plants. It is advised to steer clear of the number 4. In addition to this, the leaves must have 5 or more fingers to be lucky. Followers of Feng Shui place Pachira aquatica money trees in homes or businesses to attract good fortune, prosperity, and wealth. Money plant, also known as Crassula ovata. Feng Shui dictates that a certain types of jade plant from the genus Crassula can help bring prosperity and good fortune. The jade plant species, Crassula ovata, is also called the money plant, dollar plant, cauliflower ears, or money tree. It is said that the coin-shaped leaves of the Feng Shui plant symbolizes wealth. Jade plants are the type of succulent that have 3 light stems, smooth branches, and big fleshy leaves. The succulent leaves are jade green, and some cultivars have red or yellow edges. Apart from hoping to increase your fortunes, one of the reasons to keep jade plants in the home is due to their hardiness. Like many succulents, jade plants don't need a lot of care or maintenance. In fact, some studies show that the jade plant may live for up to 100 years. Money plants are usually gifted to new business owners or placed in offices to invite success or wealth. These money plants are also easy to care for houseplants that can help create a natural, well-balanced indoor environment. If you are fortunate, plants may start flowering in winter. Small pink or white star-shaped flowers appear and give off a sweet scent. Jade plants will usually flower when the environment is right in winter months. This usually happens when nights are longer, the weather is colder, and the plant doesn't get water for a few weeks. You can also place jade plants at the entrance of your house because of its ability to attract wealth and more success to your home. Lucky bamboo. The lucky bamboo brings harmony within the 5 key Feng Shui elements: the fire, earth, wood, water, and metal, thereby harboring and nurturing positive life experience. So, make sure you invest in the lucky bamboo plant for your home. The arrangement of the plant also indicates the peace, fortune, health, love, and luck it attracts. It is ideal to place the plant in the east to focus on family, or the southeast, which is the nucleus of wealth. Lucky bamboo is said to be an auspicious plant for the home of someone's fortune, happiness, and prosperity. Although this plant looks like bamboo, it is not in the same family as true bamboo. As an attractive ornamental houseplant, the plant has long, straight, fleshy stems that sprout long leaves. The bamboo-like stems can grow up to 3.2 feet, but in Feng Shui, shorter variations of the bamboo plant are preferred. Orchids. In Feng Shui practice, the orchid is mostly used to enhance family luck and fertility luck. The color of the orchid plays a vital role in determining its potency. Violet orchids are said to be the most auspicious among the many varieties of the plant. Pink orchids can help mend or maintain harmonious relationships as it ignites fashion. White orchids bring harmony to the household by filling the space with calm, clarity, innocence, and peace. When placed in the relationship corner of the house, or where the number for flying star is located, it can help singles get hitched by drowning romance luck. With the above mentioned in mind, it is no wonder potting orchid plants are one of the most popular feng shui plants to use as a gift to a loved one. However, when the potted plants are used, be mindful of the color and materials of the pot, including the signed art or the pot itself. If leaf plants are not of preference, paintings or designs of orchids can play a similar role. Take note that the artificial plants can play a role of symbolism, but don't bring wood elements to enhance the energy of a space. According to Feng Shui, orchids have the unique ability to bring good luck and fortune in love. It nurtures and enriches current relationships, and most importantly, enhances the chance of finding love and partner. Another great benefit is the release of oxygen at night, giving the residents a good night's sleep. Orchid is the plant that has a pleasant smell that is uplifting. It is said to improve the energy in the home and improve your luck, especially when it comes to fertility. Since this plant releases oxygen at night, they are a great option to have nearby as you sleep. This handy plant grows best in zone 3 through 9, since they enjoy warmer climates. It is important that this plant get 12 to 14 hours of light a day. Humidity level should be between 60 and 80%. They can tolerate broad conditions, but overwatering them can cause them to suffocate. These are the plants that can attract good luck into your life that you must have at home. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.